Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Had the most fantastic weekend of my life probably, so I'll be making a video about that hopefully later tonight, so look out for that. Hopefully you check it out. Went to a safari and like got a bunch of backstage like animal interaction, so super cool. So today I worked on emceeing between there and then between this box and that box, and I made the ones up on the end, and then the wire still has to get pulled through the pipe on this one, and this one I started to make it up, and then I was like, I forgot about the pipe, so I do still need to strap these. That one's kind of looks a little bit crooked, but it just needs to be strapped over, and there's like a certain kind of strap that you just screw it to the front and then it kind of just loops around the back. So and then this one I had it going straight, and then I bent this at the end of it, and then I tried to get it through the top plate and it wouldn't fit, so I just flipped it over. So hopefully they don't care about that, but this will just get strapped over like that, and then it'll be perfectly straight. So hopefully I'll just put one or two those hook straps around there. If not, I'll just throw a spreader bar across the top with the EMT one hole strap. So that took up a bunch of time, and then piping that back to the panel. So that turned out really nice. It looks pretty good, nice and parallel right in there. So this has wood on the top, so I had to like drill the wood out with the hole saw, take the pilot bit off, and then drill that down, and then stick the other bit on there and drill through the metal can. So just a little time consuming, but no big deal. So I got those two done. Then I got these holes drilled for tomorrow, and then I still have to drill the metal through here. I think I got the holes right up in there, so I just have to drill through the top for the metal. So I got two pipes coming in here, and then a pipe coming into this one. So one right there and like two right there. But as you can see, I got that one on the front right there from that plug-in box, and then from this plug-in box on the back side. It turned out pretty nice. I was pretty proud of that. Anyways guys, my phone just ran out of space. I had to delete a few things, but that's pretty much gonna wrap up my day. So I also did mount this box right here. That's gonna be a dedicated home run plug-in circuit. So as you can see, it just goes from there into the panel. Well, didn't actually put it in the panel yet because I still have to drill the hole through the bottom, but dedicated circuit home run just right there. So that's what a dedicated home run looks like for a really short one. So just one wire into the panel, and that's just going to be dedicated for that area. So I'll do an outro here in a second, but that pretty much wraps up my day here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this short little bit. The day went by super fast, wonderful. So I got a flat tire in the Corvette, so I got to go get that changed after work right now. So, and then maybe I'll go do some disc golf with my friends. So anyways guys, look out for the safari video. It's going to be freaking awesome, so hopefully check that out please. And I guess I'll just do the outro if I have enough time. So thanks for watching guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I will see you guys later. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Hopefully see you back tomorrow. Any comments or questions, leave them down in the comment section. Until next time guys, see you later. See you tomorrow. Peace.